Well, today's October 11th, 2024. I was out taking a look at the Carpentersville Dam this morning. Today is my afternoon fishing session. It looks like there's a storm front coming through. Using my Lonnie's DBC-1, my tail walk telescoping rod, 4-pound Sunline sniper, and this micro TRD ticklers in white. I'll work a couple of spots on the river, see if we can get into anything. We're in a drought situation. We haven't had a whole lot of rain, so this river is starting to really get small. So I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna try to fish a spot right up here. I'm gonna cast towards that seam. See if there's anything sitting in there. There we go. Got into one. Not very big. I think that's 313 for the year. There he is. Let's get him released. Wasn't expecting the Indian to be in that pool, but I'm happy there was. It wasn't what I was looking for, but I'll take it. Trying to get up by the front of that. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. He even got airborne on me. Right, he was right in the current too. Oh yeah, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. Oh yeah. Come on now. I don't want to force him too much. I only got 4-pound test down here. I got a nicer one. He's going all over the place. Oh yeah, he is a nice one. Oh yeah. Fall is the time of the year to get nicer ones. Yeah, this guy's a nice one. Really nice. Look at the size of this guy. Right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah, definitely a fox or smaller. Look at the size of this guy. 314 for the year. He's feeding. Nice fall colors on the guy. Nice fish. Look at the size of this guy. Let's get him back in the water. Release him down here. There he goes. Thank you, buddy. Kind of letting it tumble through there. Shut up at the top up there. Perfect cast. Oh yeah, he took it as soon as it hit the water. It's not very big, but these river smallmouth are aggressive. I mean, it literally just touched the water. Respectable fish. Bronze bag. You wanted it. Corner of the mouth. Nailed it as it hit the water. 315. Got a little wart on his tongue or something. Beautiful looking fish. Go back in the water. 315. What did I get snagged over here? Okay, it's up underneath the bridge. No, we don't catch anything on this side of it, at least. Worker, there we go. I spoke too soon. 316. You don't know unless you cast in there, I guess. Oh, head off. Oh, Jesus Christ, buddy, come on. Jesus, super dink. There he is. 316. I'm gonna release him right over here. There he goes. The other way, buddy, the other way. Oh, that was a bite. There we go. Got into one. Oh, yeah. Trying to pull them out of there quick before they spook everything. I think this is 316 for the year. I'll check my count later. There he is. Let's get him released. I'll let that rest for a little bit. I'm going to try up here. If there's anything sitting up here. Oh, thought there was. There's one sitting up in here. Let's run it through there one more time. A little differently. There we go. I knew there was one in there. 317. A little bit bigger one. Oh, buddy, come on, calm down, calm down. Ooh, shit, that hurt. Got that fin in my hand. Aggressive little guy. I think I pulled him out too fast. 317. Where the seams meet. Probably right behind the piling. I'll work this area right here. I'm going to work this area clockwise. There we go. Damn. 318. I wasn't expecting that. He actually just kind of came flying at me. 317. Working that seam. There we go. Ooh, feels like a nicer one too. I switched over to the Z-Man micro chatterbait because I broke off my white ticklers. The one with the, come on, feels like a nicer one too. He is. He's not as big as the last one, but he's definitely not bad. He's a kid. Nice. Nice fish. That's what I'm using, the Z-Man ticklers. The little, the Z-Man micro chatterbait. Nice looking smallmouth. Yeah, it's 318. I'll check my count when I get home. Let's get them released. I'll release them up here. Oh, I love it. Bring it back nice and slow and switching it every so often. There we go, got into another one, almost in the same spot. Oh, I love it. Yeah, he's coming at me. He looks like a, not a thing, but a better one, huh? Yeah, I'll take him. $3.19. Nice smallmouth. Right out there in the current. My go-to bait, my search bait. Female micro chatterbaits. Get them released. $3.19, I think it is. Wow, he was sitting back there on the wall. Not a bad one for the river, Fox River. Here he is. I think that's $3.20. Thinking. Let's get him back. Let's release him. Come on, buddy. Go, go, go. There he goes. Perfect cast, nice and deep back there. So the cast actually impressed myself. There we go. $3.21. They're definitely on the bite today. Roof of the mouth. A little dink, but I'll take them. Let's get it back in a little deeper. Wrap. I went down to another spot, but I just right back in there. I lost 3 lures. 2 lures. But they don't seem to be in their usual spots on this part. What is that? It's a skeleton of some sort. Interesting. What is that? It's a mammal. For sure. Not sure what it is, but I'm gonna call it a day. Not a bad day. Got into a few. I got one nice one. So it's a wrap for today.